Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order and pay on the TEMU app. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the TEMU application in your mobile and then you can scroll the home tab for suggested items. Go to the categories tab to narrow down your selection or search for an item directly with the search bar. When you find an item you are interested in, click on it. Go to its item page. From here you can see more pictures and select specific like color and size when applicable. If you think you'd like to purchase an item, go ahead and click on this add to cart. When you are ready to place an order, go to your cart. Here you can see the items you have added to your cart. If there are any items you don't want to include in this order, you can either deselect them or remove them from your cart. Once you are ready to place order, click on this check out, then tap on this continue to check out. And here you will need to add the address you'd like to ship to your items. Please double check the details to ensure a smooth shipment. Now you need to add your payment details. You can choose from alternative payment methods like Apple Pay, PayPal, Google Pay, or pay and installments with Afterpay or Klarna. Once you've chosen your payment method, add the necessary details, then click Submit Order. You will be notified when your order has been placed successfully. Now all you have to do is sit back and wait for your items to arrive. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.